Good morning.
Morning. Sit down, please. Introduce myself. My name Devi, HID CV Development.
Nice to meet you.
Where do you get job vacancy informative for this company?
Information for my friend.
Can we start an interview?
Yes, I can.
Please introduce yourself.
23 years old. I am a fresh graduate of Information Management for Malang State Polytechnic.
What made you decide to apply for a web developer position?
Because I have the ability to design and create information website, so I sure I can contribute to join the company.
What programming language can you work with?
Before I went to college, I picked JavaScript as my main programming language. Now I stay enjoy using JavaScript. Also start learning Python years ago.
Give an example of any program you made with that programming language. What kind of step you follow to create a program?
When I was a college, I remember working on a program for a rental application for students when needed when netbook, but with a hit page connection. Let's discuss the record about design and create followers until the implementation of coding or program is carried out. It was as one of my favorite program.
How do you keep up with trends in this area?
I have knowledge in programming. Basic then I am creative, innovative, and always update on the technology develop.
How you cope with pressure as a programmer?
When program developer does not go something, I will take a break first. For the I will have discussion with my team to find solution.
What do you enjoy about programming?
Can take code on code so I can find error the time. I will always like method time.
Are you comfortable working with a team of programmers to complete project?
Yes, in my profile program roles I recommend work with other programmers and IT professional to collaboration on the creating of mobile app and computer software of very business and consumer use. I love to work in team. We are from the same side. It will make me then is on west and also get operation in imports and lab.
And then, what's your favorite programming language?
I like JavaScript because I like the very flexible, elegant, and can be used for many roles.
And last, what's the most recent programming language that you learned?
Some 1 year ago, I'm learning Python. Every text my profit just use C++. I'm learning Python because I wish include in the future.
Okay, thank you for the time. We will be in contact.
Okay, thank you.